From medieval history to business leadership. Sara studied medieval history and once dreamed of pursuing a PhD in food history. She imagined researching ancient recipes and uncovering secrets from the past. However, her life took an unexpected turn. If circumstances had been different, she would have followed the academic path she had always envisioned. Yet, in need of stability, she accepted a position at a truck body manufacturing company. The job was meant to be temporary, a stepping stone to support her dreams. But it didn't take long for Sara to realize she had a natural talent for management. This was something she would not have discovered if she hadn't taken that job. Her ability to organize, plan, and communicate with the team stood out. She rose through the ranks, taking on more responsibilities and challenges. As time went on, Sara became the CEO of the company. She often reflects on the life she left behind and wonders what might have been different if she had continued her academic journey. She may have been a history professor, sharing her knowledge with eager students. However, she values the business experience she has gained. The unexpected changes and challenges she faced could have been overwhelming, but they shaped her into the strong leader she is today.